Today's video is sponsored by the End of the World. Bring a Fusion Cross Dissolve between your clips, select the transition and open it in the Fusion page. Double-click to the transition node to open it, and select the Dissolve node. Change the operation to Alpha Merge, and set the Apply mode to Difference. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to Easing, and set the In and Out to Expo. Close the Dissolve node, and add a Merge node after. Bring a camera shake in empty space, connect the Dissolve to this, and then to the Merge as a foreground. Select the Merge node, and bring down the Blend slider around 0.6. Select the camera shake, bring down the X slider, increase the Y slider, and increase the Speed slider. Change the edges to mirror. Right-click to the Overall Strength slider, and select to modify it with Anim Curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to Easing, set the In and Out to Sine, and check the mirror box. Go back to the Tools tab, under the Settings menu, check the Motion Blur box, and increase the Quality slider. Now you are ready to work in the next Dune movie. If you are too afraid to use the Fusion page, buy my pack and make me rich.